Welcome to the AI-optimized internship application tracker. This tool is designed to help you manage every part of the internship application process efficiently and strategically with the support of artificial intelligence. Start with the Begin Here tab. It outlines how the tracker works, what each tab is for, and the recommended order for completing your application tasks. This is your orientation page. Review it before entering any internship information. The ChatGPT Guide tab is for users who are new to ChatGPT. It provides clear instructions on how to access and interact with the platform. If you've never used an AI tool before, this tab walks you through the basics so you can use the tracker's full capabilities. Next is the Optimize with AI tab. This section contains prompt templates to help you write or improve internship resumes, cover letters, short answer responses, and follow-up emails. Copy the prompts into ChatGPT to create customized materials for each opportunity. Use the Important Links tab to stay organized for each internship. Use this tab to store the position description and where you save the customized resume, cover letter, and interview prep materials used for that specific application. Finally, the Tracker tab is your control panel. Log each internship you apply to, track deadlines and submission statuses, and document outcomes. This centralized view helps ensure you never miss a step or duplicate your efforts. With the AI-optimized application tracking system, the internships are bound to start rolling in, and this tracker can even help you keep track of those as well. And that's it. This workbook will help you stay on track and make your internship application way easier. If you found this helpful, like, share, and follow us on social media. Happy internship hunting!